Ka jela Meghalaya menta kesnem kan penlut hadu ar klur lai polai lak nak benta ban penlong ya kelempung ile kai ke bahek tam ha ke jela ye ke beletip kum ka Meghalaya Games ye ke baon Sdang Naduh ke ar Tarik ubenai jemang ar Hajar ar puar bat penkut pat ha ke Henril Tarik ubenai jemang ar Hajar ar puar ye ke balai thu da kinong ilam ke bahakmat jong ka Meghalaya State Olympic Association ha ba yo ban ye keren bat ki ha office kam jong ka association hanong ba shalong hapa pensau hakilan patai kubor ki nong ilam ki bahakmat ki long baka Meghalaya Games kadai ke kala ke basau ya ke baon penlong ha ki benta baper jong ka nong ba bat ya ki babon hi ki jing lekai on penlong ha JN Stadium Shillong ya kene ke Meghalaya Games la penian di kitanat di lekai jong sorkar jela Haka jingi trilang bat ka Meghalaya State Olympic Association ha ke balapen kentup hadu khat kendai teli ki jingi lekai ya tu uba finally periat ubadi secretary jong ka MSOA la kemilan tiru bahag kasing Sdang Menteri Rangba jong jela Konrad Kesangma unwan ban pli ya ke Meghalaya Games Haka jingi don lang jong ba bantai dor lengdo obri menteri ke sarkar obri pe ka tanat dilekai ke jela nalor jong working president ka Meghalaya State Olympic Association ringkat ke nong ilekai ya kene ke jingi lekai la penlong biang hadin khan rius nem balapan senge no eka kabla penlong khat du house nem Hajar sau ha ka baon sayo ban saki ye jingwan sim benta jong ki khana samla na ke jela ki ba kentup hadu khandai spa sau prangot ki shenrang bat san spa an rupusan ngut ki kanthei bat na pedeng jong ki khat khandai teli ki jing lekai ba pher ki katok ane ki jing lekai ki kentup ya ka archery athletics badminton basketball boxing billiards and snooker judo karate shooting swimming table tennis, taekwondo, tennis, wushu, bat kiwei.
What we are going to do during the Meghalaya Secretary, please. And all.
Next, key athletes, key champions.
This fourth Meghalaya Games will be started from the 2nd to the 7th. 2nd's arrival, plus some games will be there. Will be played on the 2nd evening, and on the departure will be on the 7th. The closing opening ceremony will be done in ground number 1, and ground number 1 Shillong Sports, and the closing ceremony at the Sai Campus in Naduh. So for the detailed program of that, we will be serving it today later on when we have the confirmation from the Chief Minister, the time and that he's free. So regarding the 4th Meghalaya game, this is a very big mega event. We have included more than 5 new disciplines to the last done in 14. We have 2677 athletes as registered by the different state association, 296 coaches and managers, 358 technical officials, 380 volunteers, and the budget given to us by the government is 2.23 crores. So this is the game banda organizing committee. You know, Chief Button is our Chief Minister, Konrad Kesangma. Chairman is Bantai Dalda. Co-chairman, Pak John Kashieng. Co-chairman, Dr. Vijay IS, Commissioner of Sports. Members, WM Booth, MCS, S. Awasti IS, Undersecretary, and BCM Chief Engineer. And organizing, myself, Pani Paria, Treasurer, San Wajri. So for this, we have done all the organizing as usually we have been done. But this year will be quite tough for us because the guy accommodation you have seen, JN Stadium is under construction. So there's a bit of problem, but we are trying to adjust because since we have to conduct, we have no other place. So the accommodation, food and all will be done in the JN Stadium itself. We are barricading those ditches and all. So we are trying our best to do whatever possible to make this a success. Regarding food and everything is there. Regarding all the lunch team, those who want lunch, we are giving transportation for those different venues as usually. For you, the press people, also I'll say this from the start. You don't need to take coupon. You have no time. Please enter the food accommodation. Instruction will be given. Please be free to go and take whatever you like. If you have friends, you have anything. Because sometimes you come what time you don't know. So please be free to go there. We are instructed. Security also to take your lunch anytime, maybe you're busy, so kindly be free. Regarding the report and all, you know there's a mega event, something here and there, so please counter check to us first before you're writing anything. Because you know it's a mega event, some might complain this and that, so do check up with us before you go up to the media. So we want to work together for the promotion of sport, as has been done before in the years. You have been very helpful. You are part of the team to help promote sports in Meghalaya.
Kani ka competition kan sa island ikna jungi bikin ya penkre eladi tu ki bam poi saka thong mataw snem ko but kila la ban perkhat la sem snem na sobat ong ba ka first Meghalaya games kala long how Hajar iway Naduh arpulai Tarik ado arpopratrik April Hajar iway dendeng padio ki ko skat nutuli ki discipline ki long hakta ko por ngideng ya persamaan wat kita ki information ka second Meghalaya games ka baar ka long how archa sao Naduh new Tarik u December hadu khatpra December house nam Hajar sao bat hang tu ki long khandai tili ki discipline ki sport discipline te ka Meghalaya games ka balai ka dei ka balami mo ngi hab ai khublei biang ni sarkar u konrad ke sangmau chief minister about sports minister ki bala menjur ya ka jing kerpat nagaleng ka masui ban pen KM ya ka Meghalaya games ka bala di long man ka arsnam ba kan long piang biang hadin khat nrius na how to snam arja khandai arpo bangi pelong ya ka third Meghalaya games ka Meghalaya games ko balai tementa ka diga Meghalaya games ka basau de haka Meghalaya games ka balai ka khandai arpo ni pelong khat sau tu league discipline te kalong ka bastrat ba ki asian kila shim ki jikit kle banwan chakmat ni rungi pensilur ki asian bat menta ki mi ado khat khandai ko bala ongi chairman juga publicity committee te ngi so ban ai karpa bo kadika ka rai jong sarkar ka ban sak pentla ya ka dur jong sport sak jala jungi nalor kata bangi la ban PUE baka ka jepakre stadium kila ya shai te nga sobat ong nga karpat ya bro ki nga hab ai kublei ki kimi ki pa ki bala sha ki kun samla ju ki ban rung shakamat shaka jile kai namar ngi UI menta hambon ki samla ki wan manishim bata kat hadu ba naka jing project jungi ya ka estimate kila nang bon shishu kina ki bon mo te na ki district kila bon ki bala ki ban kwa ban wan chini te let's say kani ka lasham sdam ka let's say ngin sa pek kumno ban nang mo ban adjust shishu
Nega fourth Meghalaya Games 2022 jong ka Meghalaya State Olympic Association ngidon kendai tuli ki jingila kai ki disiplin segi bangnya le ar tu nyau tuli kumbi haki jaga go fair ngila ai ki tu ikut sepi yang tu ngila tholot hai ni le football hai ni le tenis hai ni le atletik hai buat kompetitor te nang tu kira yo barokai ban report bag inum the police nang dia kan kata timing in sahadin antara confirm antara awan ke assistant fair la pensai mentaba ke opening ceremony kan long ground number 1 yang Kesulong Sport Association Haka Tarik ya kapor Tarik ya kapor ni sepentik ke siang haka jing like yang chief guest dingi bat ke kursin kan long haka new Tarik
katkum ka information ke ai baksan up till today ni ngaku abani tu ipiru bangila upgrade ya ke website jungi hakba baro ki athletes ki hab ban register lemba ka online portal khnang ba kan suk yengi ba kambakla ka kerteng ka karta kan katai te up till today khandai kli ki asian kila shimbata ha ka online portal but male are 577 wow ki female long life spa life so far hadu mata was kampat kod ka registration or registration is ongoing so far I check our website so many athletes are it's ongoing I think by tomorrow day after this number will increase more